So hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to make a Telegram chatbot, or you can say agent, that can analyze images as well. So let's start with the demo. I'm going to do this in my mobile, so let me just simply I'm going to say hi and let's see what's the response is. Actually this is for the my company, so I gave the context as you are a helpful agent for the Altox company. So and it's giving the correct output. So, and now let's try by giving an image. Let's say this one might be this one. So what I'm going to ask is what is the what is inside the highlighted part, and let's see. So it has to extract what is inside it and tell me the answer exactly. And yeah, it is showing the correct answer. So and also I tried to analyze the recorded audio, but the output was in OGA file, so it couldn't analyze the audio. Maybe OpenAI can do that, but I don't have the credit, so I'm going for the free version of Groq. And even if I try, it will say that can't process the file. There you go. So that's all for the demo. Let's start with the building process. So guys, for those who don't know about n8n, Make and Groq, so n8n and Make are the automation platforms which you can use for free for a few days. And coming to the this is the n8n. Just go and create an account and you'll get the free 14-day trial. And coming to the Make, just log in and you'll get free. And Groq is an API that provides LLMs, and they also give a free API key. So just log in and generate a key of your own and use that in the projects. So this is the trigger. Whenever I send a photo or any text, it's going to trigger, and it's going to check if the format is a text or image. If it is, it's going to say true. If it is a different file like PDF or videos, it's going to say we can't process that file. And if coming to the text part first, if the input is a text, it's going to call the agent. This is the agent I'm using. It's going to get the text from here, and the chat model I'm using is Groq. You can use OpenAI or different one, but I'm going with Groq because it's for free. And also n8n is also for free for 14 days. And make.com, I will come to that part later. So basically the AI agent takes care of the generating of reply, and it's going to send the response via Telegram to that same mobile number. And coming to the image analyzer, so if I send an image, it's going to download the image and upload it to Dropbox. It's a storage platform. And I'm going to call the image analyzer, which is in the make.com. And whenever I get the image, it's going to share link, and with that link it's going the Groq analyze images vision model is going to uh, analyze the image and send that what the description is to the agent again, and the same happens again, the response is sent. And this is the workflow, and everything is for free. Groq is free. Coming to the database, I'm not using any other database because n8n is providing itself. So n8n is free for 14 days, you can try that. And make.com is free uh, with two automated. This is active, this is active, and this is active. And coming to the how we can uh, do the Telegram chatbot, go to the Telegram and search for bot father. It will be something like this, and just click on start. You will get a text like this. Click on new bot, and you will get to choose a name. Choose the name with underscore bot, and once you do that, you'll get the API key. Copy this and places in the any n8n and Make platforms. And if you have seen my previous video about the WhatsApp, setting up the WhatsApp is more complicated, but setting up Telegram is easy. And also Telegram does not charge you, so it's completely free for no matter the messages. But Facebook charges for the WhatsApp messages, and you need a separate number for that. But in Telegram you can send messages directly, that is DM, direct message, or you can send via channel. The demo I just showed you was about the channel. You can also send it to groups as well. So basically Telegram agent is better than WhatsApp agent. So that's it. Let's meet in the next video.